What is going on, everyone? My name is Abhilash and welcome to another video. Today we are exploring a new place again. If you like my work, do consider hitting that subscribe button and let me know in the comment section how can I improve on my work. So let's get started. Odisha is the best kept secret of India. It is the home many natural attractions, beaches, temples, wildlife sanctuaries and a lot of hidden gems to be discovered. Odisha surprises its visitors with its vibrant culture and various colors embedded in its diverse landscape. Of the many attractions that the state has, waterfalls have a special place in the spot of tourists and locals. Sambalpur, the largest city of western Odisha, holds a lot of beautiful secrets, Devjharan being one of them. Located approx 40 kilometers away from the city, Devjharan is situated in the Jojomara block, surrounded with dense forest. Devjharan is pretty famous among the locals. Local legends say that the gods used to bathe in the waterfall, hence the name Devjharan, meaning the god's waterfall. Devjharan is not enormous, yet wonderful and secured with woods. The waterfall itself gives a relief to the people who visit there from their daily hassle-passel of the city. It is an extraordinary site to visit for excursion, trekking and playing in water. The waterfall is known for its clean water, but as we visited the waterfall in a rainy season, the water was not so convincingly clean. This is a standout amongst the most prevalent excursion spot among the local people. Anyway, it is not abundantly investigated by many vacationers. Some waterfalls are indeed gentle, but others are like a thundering monsters charging by. Experience near waterfalls is difficult to describe. It is one of the things that you can only understand by experiencing it yourself. From a distance, it looks like a silent white stream cascading over the rocky outcrop. But as you go closer, you can hear the water pounding on the rocks. When you go near the waterfall, you forget all your problems and get lost in the beauty of water tumbling down the mountain. It feels so lively to stand there and witness the marvelous creation of nature. Find some place to sit where tiny drops of water touches your face gently and let yourself soak into the beauty of nature. So if you're not afraid of getting your clothes wet, then I suggest you definitely go underwater and get yourself drenched. You feel so energized and full of positive spirit that you would never want to leave the place and go back to the crowded and noisy city again. Words can never really be able to tell how exactly it feels like. It's mesmerizing. It's monotonous yet addicting. The flowing of water makes you realize that how all your problems are gonna pass away. Waterfalls are not just nature's creation, but nature's lesson as well. So I definitely suggest you to visit this place and get immersed in the beauty of water. It's definitely worth a visit. And it will make you realize that happiness is a journey and not a destination. Also, there is a dam nearby, and if you want natural fish pedicure for free, then go definitely try it out.